All right, got the 40-gallon water hole installed. Normally I would go bigger than that, but I'm not sure if this is the last year I'm gonna hunt this property or not, so I went with the 40-gallon just so it'd be a little bit easier. Got the stick in there in case anything falls in there, they're able to get out. Got a mock scrape right here on this trail. Water hose right off the trail, and then the trail goes right out to the food plot right there. And then got a standard SD card camera on that tree. Water hole, mock scrape. My stand is gonna be in that double tree right there. I'm not gonna be able to slip through and check this camera easily because there's a barbed wire fence going right here. So I'm gonna try to get a cell camera in here before season, but with this movement I got going on right here, and it's a little finger of woods right here with another ag field right there, so they have to slip through here. I'm thinking that this fall, with this water hole, this mock scrape, in the bedding area I made right beside this food plot, and then the food plot I'm gonna put in, I think it's all gonna come together this year, so stay tuned. Put one of these in your property, get a camera on it, and watch the results. Mainly get the mock scrape, but yeah, we'll see what happens this year.